So I woke up this morning and this whole crew was out of the fence, except for that guy. He stays in the fence, right? Rutabaga. So we keep him in with electric netting, and basically it's a pretty simple system. It's just that. So the grounding wire, and then the charger, and then it connects to the fence. That's it. So I couldn't figure out why, but when I went down to the end, that it wasn't connected. So have to figure that out. But we have this handy dandy little charging tester. So you take this and you plug this part of it in the ground like that. You have to make sure it's plugged in. And then you take this part and you put it on the fence, and that tells you, so we're getting like 4,000 volts, which should be enough to stop the sheep from going through the fence. But so my next step is to figure out why they're going through the fence. So the problem is, if they go through the fence, then you can see right here on the other side of the fence, that's all of our grapes and berries and stuff, and they don't hesitate to eat that stuff. They don't care if I get berries or not. So yeah, so we gotta talk to these guys and tell them about staying in the fence. That's Jacob, that's Charlie, and that's Brad hiding behind there. Brad's the troublemaker. He's a lamb this year, and he likes to squeeze through any fence he can. Then we got old stinky Rutabaga here. He's in charge of making sure nothing tries to attack the sheep. Right, Rutabaga? That's a good boy. So I think I found the issue right here. Look at this water. You don't know if you can step in it or not, but the funny thing is, look how shallow it is. It's barely there. So this wire is supposed to be attached to this. This is what connects the electric, but somehow it got pulled off. And if it's pulled off, then this whole wire goes all the way down along over there, and that's where they're getting through. So it's that simple. Kind of crazy, but yeah. If they don't get a little shock, it's not a bad shock. I shock myself all the time accidentally. Most of the time they don't touch it, but Brad touches it because he's younger and he doesn't know better. And then when the others see him go through, they go through. But yeah. So that's a little bit of it this morning. There's the beautiful green pond. All right, check this out. I was just cleaning up the fence a little bit more, and in here is our first grapes of the season. These are Niagara grapes. Looks like the birds are getting them a little bit. I need to put some bird denting on. But yeah, these were another one of those Lowe's clearance grapes. But yeah, they're all coming in. Crazy thing is that it seems like they're coming in like one or two at a time instead of like the whole cluster. But that's okay. Then we've got back here, got muscadines, and then behind that is a variety called Southern Home. So it looks like grape season started, which is good because blackberry season just stopped. But yeah, super exciting.